gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Shoeperfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, in honor of Fenty and its summer shoe launch, Shoeperfly presents a celebration of Rihanna and all things Fenty, including her July 15th footwear release with the FENTY Meshy Mule 105 from the label's first shoe collection, co-designed with designer Amina Muaddi, one of the most in-demand footwear labels on Fashion Radar. That's right. The entire Fenty and Muaddi shoe collection collabo features 7 pair of glorious heels and is available on the Fenty.com website. For Rihanna stans, shoe lovers, and luxury fashion shoppers alike, if you're wanting more footwear luxury, reviews, and news, then look no further and subscribe to my channel for more. Mesh shoes have officially dominated the market, becoming one of the biggest shoe trends in 2020, coming in variations ranging from fine to larger netted styles, with dozens of designers churning out versions that are chic, sophisticated, sexy, and cool. The Meshy Mules 105 are that and more. Let me tell you, a true game changer. The high heel mule, here in jet black, size Fenty 39. That's right, I said Fenty 39. That's a size 9 in US. Sorry, no half sizes. Features the 2020 trending sleek square toe, 100% leather lined inner sole with comfort foam and monogrammed outer sole. Made in Italy of 100% outer Napa lamb skin and 100% smooth nylon mesh, the 10.5 centimeter, 4.1 inch heel is a stunner and features a slip-on style and branded insole. Fenty. Retailing for $490 at Fenty.com, coming in colors jet black, and nude, and offering complimentary shipping and free 30-day returns. 30-day returns. They're also at farfetch.com for the price of $540, excluding tax and shipping. Flaunt your beauties in these cuties at a party in a sheer off-shoulder dress or a blazing hot suit at work. Either way, you're sure to catch attention with these babies. However, and I do say however, bad news, Riri stands. The FENTY Meshy Mules 105 are not Shoeperfly, but a don't buy. And here's why. As they hurt like hell when you walk. And I don't mean that pretty girl hurt either. First, the rim around the shoe cuts into your skin while walking, and your feet don't comfortably fit into the square. So your feet goes about up to here, leaving a slight indentation on the mesh lining. True, the heel is hot. You see that heel? The heel is hot, but it doesn't provide enough stability for me when walking, causing more discomfort. And while the mesh is soft like putting on a sock, the shoe is just not comfortable to walk in. Now I'm mad and sad that the Meshy Mules is not a Shoeperfly shoe, as I likes me some Riri, and I honestly didn't want to do her like that. So I took things a step further, I must admit, and tested the shoe on a model sized 8, thinking that maybe I had gotten the sizing wrong. But even my model second that the heels are not Shoeperfly, as the fit was too big and not fun, feeling unstable, not so much due to the heel, but due to the overall fit of the mules. While the mesh lining was of no bother and her foot fit nicely into the frontal square toe of the shoe, she just found herself disapproving of the Meshy Mules 105 as Shoeperfly did. Here's an up-close look.
We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it.
There's no secret that Muaddi is at the origin of today's most in-demand footwear label on the fashion radar. That's right, her shoes are sexy and slinky and run the full gamut of footwear, including slingbacks, pumps, boots, and mules, but omitting the flats and sneakers. They are intrinsically fun, some coming in neon PVC or hologram colors, while appearing always sophisticated and HOT hot. The signature pyramidal heels offer a side of eccentricity that makes the shoes instantly recognizable and special. Hence why Rihanna chose them for her groundbreaking Savage X Fenty show, and since has enlisted the designer to help design shoes for Fenty. Muaddi's clients aspire to her specifically, though she does spread her aura via celebrities who happily post photos of themselves wearing her shoes. Q, Rihanna, Dua Lipa, Kendall, and Kylie Jenner. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.